Hi. Today we're going to take a look at complementary and supplementary angles and how to solve for that elusive x. And how to find the angles. So I'm taking a look here. This is a complementary angle because it is a 90-degree angle. So I'm going to label it complementary. Now, I know that that means that it equals 90 degrees for the sum of these two angles. That means if I add the 65 to the 5x, it would equal 90 degrees. So I'm just going to write an equation. 90 equals 65 plus 5x. Now, thinking back earlier in the year, we did these problems and we made a line down. I need to do the opposite to get rid of things. So this is 65 plus 5 times x. I'm going to undo my addition first, so I'm going to subtract 65 from both sides. So 10 minus 5 is 5. I borrowed, and it's 8 minus 6 is 25. So 25 equals 5 times x. These have canceled. I'm now going to divide both sides by 5, so x equals 5. Okay, and that's exactly what I needed. Now, if I wanted to know what the two angles were, I've got a 65-degree angle, and I've got one angle that is 5 times x. So 5 times 5, so my angles would be a total of 65 degrees plus 25 degrees, and that would be the angle of 90 degrees. They would add up to 90 degrees. I'm going to come over here and do our second example. These two angles make a straight angle, so they are supplementary angles. Now, I know that supplementary angles add up to 180 degrees, so I know that the 6x plus 4 added to the 10x is going to equal 180. So I've now got my equation. On this side, I'm going to begin combining terms. Both of the terms I just underlined have got an x in them. So 6x plus 10x makes 16x plus 4. Simplifies this side, and that still equals 180. And again, put that line down the center, reminding ourselves we do the same thing on both sides. So this is 16 times x plus 4. We undo our addition or subtraction first, so I'm going to subtract 4 on both sides. This leaves me with 16 times x, and 180 minus 4 is 176. New equation. Now I'm going to divide both sides by 16, and I'm going to be left with x equals 176 divided by 16. 16 goes into 17 one time. X equals 11. So we've answered the question for x. If I wanted to know what the measure of this angle is, this angle would be 10 times 11. So this angle is 110 degrees. This angle is 6 times 11 plus 4. 6 times 11 is 66 plus 4. This is a 70-degree angle. And sometimes you'll be asked, what is the measure of each angle? When you do that, you come up and you substitute back into your original value, your original term, and you're going to come up with the number of degrees. Thank you very much.